Hey guys, what's up? Now look at the condition I find myself in. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm at the airport and it's raining, it's wet, it's cold. I'm under a bus shed like a homeless person. Yes. Why? Because I allow people to convince me to come to the airport 6 hours early. What kind of madness is that? I mean, I call name people like Charms Lifestyle, right? No, my flight is 10:45, but it's from Brussels, not Paris. So I said to Charles, I'm coming to Brussels, overnighting in a nice clean hotel, and then leaving tomorrow morning at early in the morning to go to the airport to get there for my flight at 10:45. Charm is like, no, that's gonna cost too much money. I need to come, take the bus over, and get here at 4 o'clock. I'm like, no, there's an 8 o'clock bus, so maybe I should take that one. She's like, no, that's too close. You might get accident or something might go wrong. So you need to take the 4 o'clock bus. Now I'm gonna follow the man with a nice hotel, right? Clean, relax, and a rest if you go Jamaica in a good condition. Now me under one bus shot. I don't know where I am, right? The airport not even open yet. I'm there, I'll wait like my man. Like, never follow the friends, guys. Never follow the friends. Okay? So, that's my situation round about now. Very, very mad. Now look over there, guys. That's the bus I came on. And it's been there for half an... Watch them. Yes, him and drive now because we take the camera upon him. Like, the man was driving, you know, you take the bus and you're hoping that the bus will take time to reach a destination because you're going to get here so early. The man drive like him late to him wedding. I know, look, end up in a cold, wet condition. The man reached nearly 1 hour early. Him reach. Me never know the bus could have overtake car and all these things. So this is the story of my life. No, me cold. It's summer, but the place is so cold. I don't even know where to go. I'm never interested to know where to go because me not get up. So this is my little bus shed here. Homeless.